Hello, amazing viewers. You're welcome back to Grace Kiswe. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make black castor hair for your fast hair growth, and that's what I've been using. It has been working for me, so I would like to introduce it to you. I want everything you blend. Add your garlic, then you go straight to the fire. But before that, you have to put your oil. You can use olive oil. Me, I'm using coconut oil, so you can use olive oil. You can use pure original olive oil, then coconut oil, pure one. Then you go straight to the fire, put the boiling water, allow it to boil for 30 minutes. Okay, after the 30 minutes, you bring it out, allow it to rest, and once it rests, you now look for this thing they use to filter camo or what any shift you have. Me, I'm using tissue. You can also use tissue, not those soft tissue, the thicker one. Then you can use it to extract the oil. Then once everything extract, you now get the pure oil. You apply it on your hair. You want to make hair, you want to do anything, always apply it, and believe me, in 7 days your hair will grow like never before. Also, apply it at the front of your hair, as in the edge, it will grow your hair. And if you'll be trying this recipe, let me know. Write in the comments below. I'm interested in the ingredient, then I'll send it to you. I love you guys. Mwah.